Yes, well, thank you so much for watching my tutorials. And today's tutorial, I'm going to answer the question that is being asked by you, my friends. Last time I posted a video and I said we're going to make money online through development of websites. And most of you are asking, Sharif, what is a website? So in today's tutorial, allow me to explain to you what a website is. A website, it refers to a collection of interrelated pages, and these interrelated web pages, they are identified by a common domain name. So allow me to show you these examples for these websites of these companies. So when you look at this website for Shakab, it has got, these are the web pages I was trying to refer to, a collection of interrelated web pages. And you're going to find that each web page here, it displays certain information, and of which this information is related to a particular company. So this is our first case study. This is a website for Shakab. Then we can also look at this website for ASAPU, Uganda. It is an association of secretaries and administrative professionals in Uganda. Then still, when you try to click on various tabs, they will lead you to different links of web pages. Still, the same applies to the website of Darling Uganda. This is a company deals in extensions for women. Still, if you try to click on any of these links or web pages, they display information for that specific information you are looking for. So all this in our training that we shall be doing online, I'm going to teach you how to design these nice, loose looking and appealing websites. I'm not saying that we're going to design the same website for these companies. I don't know the kind of company you have. Maybe your company you're dealing in construction. I'll show you, I'll give you all the basics on how to design your desired website. And still, I'll show you how to right away host it on online servers, because right now the setup that we made, it is for localhost on our computer. So I believe by the time we finish, you'll be able to make some money, and that is my dream, to see that you have money. So thank you so much for following. Share with a friend who needs to learn more in website designing and development. Thank you. God bless you.